In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to your Trello boards. Custom fields are a great way to store extra information on your cards, beyond the default things like title, description, due date, and labels. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add them and start tailoring your board to match your workflow. First, open Trello in your browser and go to the board where you want to add custom fields. Make sure you're on the correct board, because the fields you create here will be available on all cards in this specific board. Once the board is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, which opens the board menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Trello keeps a lot of board-level options and settings, including the Custom Fields feature. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Custom Fields and click on it. This will open the Custom Fields panel, usually sliding in from the right-hand side. Here, you'll see any existing custom fields, as well as some suggested fields that Trello thinks might be useful. If one of the suggested fields fits what you need, you can simply click the Add button next to that suggestion. This is a quick way to get started, because Trello has already set up the type and basic settings for you. As soon as you add it, that field becomes available on all the cards in your board. If none of the suggestions match what you want, you can create something completely new. To do that, click on the New Field option. This opens a small form where you'll define your custom field. Start by clicking into the title area and typing a clear, descriptive name for your field. For example, you might use titles like priority, budget, or client name. A good title makes it easy for everyone on your team to understand what belongs there. Next, click on the drop-down that says Select to choose the type of field you want. Trello lets you pick from different types, such as text, number, checkbox, date, or drop-down options. Think about how you'll use the field. If you need free-form notes, pick text. If you want consistent values like high, medium, and low, choose a drop-down. Once you're happy with the title and type, click on the Create button. Your new custom field is now active and ready to use on every card in this board, helping you keep your information more organized and tailored to your needs.